I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to trim or edit your voice memos on your iPhone. So first, we're going to open up our Voice Memos app. And here, let's say we have a particular recording that we want to edit. We'll tap the three dots on the right of that particular voice memo, and then we'll click Edit Recording. Now, in order to trim this, we're going to click the three dots on the top right, and then just tap Trim. Now here, what you can do is you can drag these yellow lines on the bottom here, and let's say that's the selection I want to have, which is in yellow. Then I'll click Trim, and it will remove that beginning part from it. Now, if you wanted to do it the other way, and let's say I wanted to keep that end, I'll leave this at the beginning and I'll bring this slider over. And here I would just click Delete, and that would delete the beginning side of this particular recording. Now, I don't really want to trim particularly anything off of this audio recording, so I'm just going to click the Delete button. Now it has deleted that first bit of the voice memo right there. Once you're all set, you can click Apply on the top right, and now your video has been edited. You can click Done on the bottom right, and you can either save the same recording or save as a new recording, which I'll click Save as New. And now we have a copy or a new file version of that particular voice memo. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.